Allah created all His servants. Allah also created all the deeds they performed. Then Allah the Most High created and decreed all sustenance. Allah the Most High also created and decreed all appointed times of death, everyone's moment of passing. That is, no event can be outside Allah the Most High's administration and governance. Nothing can escape His grasp of power and control. What does it say? Allah is capable of everything. What does that mean? If something has come into existence, if it has entered the realm of being, the one who directs, creates, brings into being, and decrees everything that exists is only Allah. Allah is capable of everything. What does that mean? He has the ultimate power. Having power is one thing. Applying that power is another. Now Allah the Most High has power over everything, but He has not created everything at this moment. If something exists, He has created it. That is not in question. If something exists in the sense of being present, then He has created it. But not everything that Allah the Most High has the power to create is necessarily His creation. He has the power over everything, but He does not bring everything into existence. Right now we are 7.58 billion people in the world. Could He make us 16 billion? Of course He could. But we are not 16 billion because He wills what He wills. He applies His power to what He wills, and that is what He creates. And what does that become? It becomes part of creation. That is, it becomes one of the existing things, the created things, the things under His power. Now, let's not just talk about the world. Beyond the world, within the world, in the seven heavens, on earth, beyond the earth, in the realms, in paradise, in hell, in the afterlife, they all exist right now because everything other than Allah is created. All of it is created. Everything that exists right now, whether we see it or not, whether we know it or not, we cannot even see what is right in front of us. We cannot even count what we see. All of them are Allah's creation. They are the things He has created. At the same time, they are under His power. They are things to which He has applied His power. Thus, in the realm of existence, it is unthinkable that something could exist without being created by Allah. It is impossible to think that someone other than Allah has directed power toward it or has used the ability to create. Whatever exists is a creation. Whatever is present is a creation. That thing is under His power. All of these are the works of Allah, the Most High's power, creation, invention, innovation, and artistry. Not a single thing is outside His management. So you cannot say, this thing exists, but Allah did not create it. Allah forbid. That would make one a disbeliever. This came into being on its own. That would make one a disbeliever. Or so-and-so created this. In the sense of creating, not as a cause. If you claim that someone other than Allah has created something, Allah forbid, you're a disbeliever. Because everything is within Allah's decree. That is, it is within His decree, creation, and invention.